Hey everyone, welcome back to another Capable tutorial. I'm Jack, and today we're going to show you how to supercharge your search capabilities in Confluence using Capable Search. If you've ever struggled to find specific content buried within Confluence, you're going to love what we're about to show you. Capable Search makes it easy to find exactly what you need with powerful features like filters, sorting, and customizable columns to refine your results. And we're not stopping there. We also have a smart side panel that lets you preview and extract key information from pages without ever opening them. It's a huge time saver when working through loads of content. So let's jump right in and explore how you can make the most of Capable Search to improve your workflow and get to the information you need faster. So first of all, I'm going to show you how Confluence's built-in search operates so you can compare and contrast this with Capable Search. So say I wanted to find pages which have the word campaign in them. With Confluence Search, it gives me this list of pages here, and it gives me the emoji, the title, the path to the page, and a little excerpt of the page. And that's it. It doesn't really give me any more information. If I wanted to find out more about what's in the page or information in the page that's useful, I have to actually click on the page to open it here. So it's not ideal if you're dealing with thousands of pages or potentially even more spread across hundreds of spaces. So this is where Capable Search comes in. So if I click Apps and I click Capable, you can see here this opens up the Capable interface. And if I click Search, this brings me to the search interface. And what I can do from here, I can add filters from this list. So I'm going to pick labels. I can configure the columns that are shown. So in this case, I'm going to hide the collaborators column and add one for the state. I can also add them for attachments, and there's a whole ton of different columns I can add to make this search useful. And I can also rearrange these columns as I see fit. So let's take a look at some of the filters here. So we can filter by label. So in this case, I'm going to click on campaign. We could also search just like the built-in Confluence search here by text. We could filter by the parent page. Really anything we can kind of filter by here. We can even find pages that contain specific macros from Capable. And as you can see here, we've got our title of our page, and we've got all of our columns here. And this brings me on to the next really cool feature for you guys working at scale here, which is the side panel, which just like you get in Jira, provides you with lots of information from that page and lets you kind of treat Confluence pages like Jira issues. So as we know, Confluence pages are unstructured. And what this lets you do is bring a bit more structure and understanding to your pages without having to open them. So let's take a look at a few of the features in this side panel first. So we can see a summary of the page, an excerpt of the text. We can see child pages, so pages that are descendants of this page. We can also see a summary of the headings, and if we click on one of these, it will jump us straight to that section in the page. We can ask people for approval and see dates extracted from the page. And you can click here to actually change that between relative dates and absolute dates here. We can also see if these dates have users assigned to them. So if someone has a task here. We can see the versions of the page. So this lets us track whether pages have been updated recently or not. And also who updated them. We can get a really nice, quick sort of gallery view of all the attachments in the page, and we can make this as big as we want. So this is great if you're a marketer and you're storing images for your campaigns on a page. We can also see a link summary. So this will extract any links from a page and allow us to quickly jump to a link from that page without having to find it on the page. We can see the number of views a page has had today, last week, last month, or in the last year. We can also get a summary of the metrics from the page. And finally, we can actually start crossing off any tasks, inline tasks that are on the page. So here's 3 tasks I've created, which I've assigned to different users, as you can see here. And this works across all of these pages. So as we go through each of the pages, this side panel changes appropriately. For example, I can pull back any social posts we've had, jump onto this, and quickly get a summary of this page here. So that's it. Now you've seen how Capable Search can transform the way you find content in Confluence, from filtering and sorting your results to extracting key insights using the Smart Side panel. It's designed to save you time and give you more control over your search experience. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Confluence tips, tricks, and tutorials. And let us know in the comments what other features you'd like to see. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.